American Dream Garage. We're sitting here in my 1980 450 SL. I took the car on trade and it was fairly rough but solid. And I started to do cosmetic things and mechanical things that I thought it needed after sitting to get it back on the road and sell it. Since driving it a little bit, I've been unable to stop that process, and I have continued on to replace most of the interior, carpet, dashwood, fascia plates, all the rubber seals, convertible top, pretty much everything, all new wood trim, new shift knob, a new radio with Bluetooth added to an original Becker cassette. So it's pretty much done to the degree that I can do anything to it. There's some things on the outside paint. The rear deck lid has a third brake light, which it shouldn't have, and then the hard top has a few issues, but those will be addressed at a later date. So we'll go for a drive. So the value of these cars is starting to go up. They can't handle a significant amount of expense, although this one started relatively low from an original cost perspective. I've clearly got probably $13,000 worth of parts, and then my own labor, which obviously has an impact. But 1980 was the year that I graduated from college and started to think about the work world, so this would have been top of the line that year. And you know, when I got it new tires and got it running and got it out on the road, I really liked the way it drove. I have a 72 350 SL that, I don't know, mechanically has never been right. And while I liked the car, I didn't like how it ran. So finally getting one to drive the way it should, I liked it. And the exterior color, you know, when I first saw it, wasn't my first choice. But as I see it, and I see it with the refinished Palomino interior and carpet and the brown top and the restyled wheels, it's grown on me quite a bit. So I actually like the way the car looks. So I believe that this car will stay as a part of my collection and be a nice driver. Mechanically, you know, I think I've done, you know, the brakes, the fuel, all those things. The only things I haven't, and the fuel injection has been rebuilt. I haven't done belts. I haven't done injectors, and I haven't done hoses. This would be a nice car to take on, you know, club events. I'm in the Mercedes Club. And some of those club events are, you know, 2 hours away. So there might be some more things that I do. Everything in this car works, except for the cruise control. I've not tried to fix it. And by everything I mean antenna, interior lights, glove box lights, clock, heat, air, windows, signals, lights, everything. So anyway, that's an update on the car. I will do a full walk around. I'll show some pictures, and I'll put a list of all the parts that went into the various stages of the restoration. So thank you for joining me today at American Dream Garage.